Chicago, the city of transit. Renowned throughout the 7 seas as the seafaring capital of the deeps for its location at the hub of the sea floor. Travelers from every corner of the bounding main change whales at the busiest hydroport under the waves, Ohake Interoceanic.
Ohake Control calling Concord 737 on Slipway 5. Come in, please.
Yes, Ohake Control. We are waiting for the weather forecast.
News of fresh disaster!
Concord 737, stand by for latest weather report. Concord. Strong disturbance coming from the Azores. Enormously powerful ground swells. Force 1,224 with high-level Doppler effect. Minimum 114 degrees.
Shepherd Harry, it's going to get really rough. Mary Celeste, please prepare the passengers and keep them calm.
Yes, Captain dear.
Stormy weather!
May I have your attention, please? Not to worry, we'll be experiencing a little tiny ground swell that will wiggle and jiggle us a bit. Tighten your widow belts on your widow little tummies. Let me remind you about the security measures. If the craft were to violently crash on the rocks, we will have to use the emergency chutes, if they work.
Whoa.
John Dory, tighten your belt. In the meantime, we'll be serving you a cold beverage.
George, Harry, look at that radar. They're heading straight into that whirlpool. Concord, do you read me?
10-4, read you loud and clear, control, no problem.
For me and my true love will never meet again.
Are you ready? We'll make our move in a flash.
Felt Cola, herbal ale.
This time I've had enough. Listen up, you Sunday driver. What do you think you're doing?
If you don't mind, I happen to be a little busy.
Busy or not, if you don't straighten things out soon, I'll come and straighten you out myself. I can't take any more of this.
Anybody move? Not a word, not a sound, and nobody will get hurt. I told you to keep quiet.
Really, I beg of you, sirs. Some dignity, please. You're behaving like curs. This nonsense has to cease. No! Well, all right.
You better get this into your head. At the slightest shake, I'll be back in a flash. Oh! Huh?
What the heck is happening here? Come in, Control. Come in, Control. Come in.
What's going on?
That's what happens when you mess around with Ray Manta. Hey, you, pilot! Keep on course and not a peep out of you, you hear?
But I'm no pilot.
The first one who moves gets grilled. Get it?
Come in, Ohake Control. Ohake Control, this is Sharky calling. Please, will you come in? Ohake Control, answer me.
Sharky?
Perry? Well, what are you doing there?
Sharky, what are you doing on the radio? Let me talk to the pilot.
Well, he seems to be having a problem with his health. Yeah, an allergy to Ray Manta, who's been trying to hijack us.
What? Ray Manta?
Yeah, but the real problem is that I've never driven a craft like this before. Give me the traffic controller.
Well, he doesn't feel too good either.
Huh?
Just wait. There may be a way out of this. George has found a manual.
Will you guys try and hurry it up?
Hang on, we're looking.
Landing instructions. No. Taking off. No. Parachutes. No. Here it is. Straightening up.
We found it. Listen, it's easy. You have to rush on the head handle and pull on the pick. No, don't pull it. Rush it.
Pull on the red handle.
That's right, the head handle.
I got it!
Wait, there's more than one. The one on the right.
I got it! Fine, I think I got everything under control. Now what am I supposed to do?
Ladies and gentlemen, there's no reason for panic. Our captain has the situation under control.
Sharky! The tornado! The whirlpool's coming towards you! Change course!
That's easy for you to say.
Tell him to deploy the retroactive flaps. The yellow handle.
The Kello handle! The Kello handle!
Yeah, all right, I got it. Oysters, Rockefeller!
Sharky! Deflap the ploys! Trigger the blobs, the blips! Oh, I don't know anymore! Ventilate! No, what am I saying? Your sea brakes! 10 degrees! Pull the pin on your electrical stable scissor!
Don't forget the blue handle. The blue handle.
Well, I got it all under control. But tell me, what does the flashing red light mean?
It's the fuel level indicator. You're almost out of fuel.
There's nothing to worry about. Everything's just fine.
Watch out! You're heading for the surface. Do something, Sharky. Sharky, you're in a tail-spinny nosedive. You're gonna splat. Pull up. Pull on the handle. Sharky, you've landed. You okay? Come in, please.
But of course I am. Why shouldn't I be?
Yay! Hooray! Yay! Hooray!
We hope that you've all had a very pleasant trip, and thank you for traveling Concord Seaways. We look forward to seeing you all again soon.
I couldn't have said it better myself. Well, is everything okay out here? I need help! SOS!
That was pretty funny, that whirlpool.
And how about the fuel?
Help me! George, Barry, I need you! Help me!
What?
George! Raymanta is back! Do something!
Keep talking to him. I'll be right back.
Sharky, the spare battery under the control panel.
Ha! It's working! Yeah! It's just you and me, Manta. It's my turn to play electrician. Oh no, where's the current? Looks like your battery don't work. Come on, I'm gonna make you work even if I have to.
And now that you've had a little appetizer, the pièce de résistance.
But what has happened here?
Oh, you're my hero.
Everybody was safe and sound. Chicago could rest easy again. I gotta admit, I got quite a charge out of this adventure.
All your scoundrels, all your villains. Sharky moves fast and is not kidding. Gangsters, hoodlums, thugs, and robbers. George gets there and crime gets clobbered. Sharky and George, the crime busters of the sea. Sharky and George, clear up any mystery. Under the seas, the place to be. About that, no fish would disagree. Yeah, salt water suits us fine. With starfish out, who needs sunshine? Sharky and George, the crime busters of the sea. Sharky and George, clear up any mystery. Sharky's brain as big as a whale's, but George is way and never fails. When dirty deeds in the deep are done, we send the bad guys on the run. Sharky and George, the crime busters of the sea.